WISPR Systems is a drone manufacturer and payload integrator, so we can provide a full turnkey solution to our customers that are inside of that surveying, mapping, and inspection space. So choosing the LR1 was one of the easiest choices that we've made since I've been here. And so now you have the most payload power in a small package that's ever been brought to market between the Sky Scout, the Pixie LR S-Port gimbal from Grimsey, and then the ILX LR1 from Sony.
We were attracted to the Sky Scout with the LR1 because of our need to advance in our photogrammetry efforts and providing our clients with the latest and greatest technology. Yeah, the first time user of the LR1, it was eye-popping. To see that we can get that type of resolution, that type of detail, it's almost as if we're standing there. The WISPR folks as well as Sony seem to have put this all together in a way that makes it user-friendly. This is definitely an advancement in what we're used to, and it's making our life a lot easier. We are able to acquire exponentially more information. So what we can do in hours and minutes with that combination is typically what we were getting in weeks of time, maybe even up to months. Safety is key in all that we do. And so the Sky Scout with the LR1 combination is a combination that's going to keep us out of harm's way from the traveling public, even not on roadways or bridges, elevated structures, but also in vegetative areas that might not be the safest environments for our people to be. Mapping precision has been great. We see details, we see elements that maybe we wouldn't have seen with the natural eye. We have seen great results, not only in resolution, but density of the imagery. So we're excited to see how we can apply this in the future.
So when I pull up to a site, I assess where I'm gonna fly from. Once I have all that done, I'd say I can program the flight, 2 to 5 minutes, just depending on where I'm going. Set up about 5 minutes, and then so all together between 7 and 10 minutes. I'm not spending 30 minutes or an hour on the ground just trying to get in the air. When I first started, we were flying about once a month, two times a month, and here recently I've been flying 4 times a week. I'll get 5 to 10 flights in a day. The LR1 and the Sky Scout have definitely been very user-friendly.
So we've chosen Sony time and time again, really for 3 reasons. One is the performance, second is the price, and then the partnership level with Sony is also incredible. In the near-term future, WISPR is really excited to continue to expand our customer base with the LR1 and the Sky Scout platform, and we're also excited to continue our collaboration with Sony on new products. We're always happy to work with them on the next cutting edge piece of technology integrated into our platforms and continue to gather incredible data out there in the field.